If you want to make an accountant panic, hand them the budget for a generational engineering project. But for engineers, these astronomical budgets represent the effort required to bend the built environment to their will. Here are the 5 most expensive infrastructure projects in history and the engineering needed to bring them to life. Number 5. The Snowy Mountains Scheme. Australia spent up to $1.2 billion on the milestone Snowy Mountains Scheme, amounting to $8.5 billion when adjusted for inflation. Completed in October 1974, engineers bored more than 145 kilometres of interconnected trans-mountain tunnels and 80 kilometres of heavy aqueducts through the granite of the Great Dividing Range. The goal was to divert water from eastern flowing rivers beneath the mountains over to the dry western interior. To do this, the budget funded 16 major dams and massive storage reservoirs. Lake Yucumbene alone holds 9 times the volume of Sydney Harbour, an engineering feat that swallowed vast sums for earth filling. The money also paid for 7 complex power stations. 2 of these, Tumut 1 and Tumut 2, were constructed hundreds of feet entirely underground, inside massive excavated rock caverns. By diverting more than 2,100 gigalitres of alpine water west annually, the scheme serves as the lifeblood of the Murray-Darling Basin, generating billions in agricultural revenue every year. Number 4. The Beijing-Shanghai High-Speed Railway. Completed in just 38 months in June 2011, this 1,318-kilometre rail line cost $34.7 billion. In today's money, that's $50.9 billion. To keep tracks perfectly straight and level for 186 mile-per-hour trains, engineers put more than 80% of the route on elevated concrete viaducts. This included pouring thousands of support pillars for the Danyang-Kunshan Grand Bridge, the longest bridge on Earth at 165 kilometres. Because traditional gravel ballast shifts under high speeds, the budget went toward premium ballastless track technology, anchoring rails into hyper-precise pre-cast concrete slabs that require almost zero maintenance. Along with a massive fleet of aerodynamic CRH and Fuxing trains, the project slashed a day-long travel ordeal down to just 5 hours. Number 3. Itaipu Hydroelectric Dam. Brazil and Paraguay spent up to $18 billion, which in today's money was $88 billion, to tame the 7th largest river in the world to build Itaipu Hydroelectric Dam, which was completed in 1991. Before building began, engineers had to move the Paraná River, carving a 2-kilometre long, 91-metre deep channel through solid rock. The money bought 12.7 million cubic metres of concrete. At its peak, the site poured 7,207 cubic metres in a single day, but the financial drama was just as intense as the engineering. The countries took out massive international loans during a period of global stagflation. With skyrocketing interest rates, the debt servicing ballooned so much that the project wasn't officially paid off until February 2023, nearly 40 years after the dam started generating power. Number 2. The International Space Station. It's easy to picture civil infrastructure as strictly earthbound, but building a permanent outpost in a vacuum pushes structural engineering to its absolute limit. Completed in May 2011, nearly half of the International Space Station's $150 billion, that's $219.4 billion adjusted budget, went purely to rocket fuel and logistics, funding more than 40 shuttle launches at up to $1.5 billion each. The money paid for aerospace-grade materials such as titanium, Kevlar shielding, and advanced aluminium alloys, capable of resisting micrometeorites at 17,000 miles per hour and temperatures from negative 157 to positive 121 degrees Celsius. The true engineering marvel is how it handles thermal expansion. The ISS experiences a 260 degrees Celsius temperature swing every 45 minutes. If the modules were rigidly bolted, the aluminium hull would tear apart within weeks. Instead, modules are joined using specialised berthing mechanisms with flexible bellows and seal rings, allowing the entire station to literally expand, contract, and dynamically twist. Number 1. The US Interstate Highway System. Completed in October 1992, this extensive road network cost up to $128.9 billion, making $660 billion in today's money. The biggest expense wasn't concrete, but real estate. To carve highways through cities like New York, Los Angeles, and Atlanta, the government had to purchase and condemn thousands of acres of valuable urban land, bulldozing entire neighbourhoods. But the engineering breakthrough happened before a single mile was laid. In the late 1950s, the ASHO road test ran trucks 24/7 over test loops for 2 years. They discovered the fourth power law, proving that road damage is proportional to the fourth power of an axle's load. Economists estimate this system has since generated roughly 6 times its cost in economic growth, revenue, and distribution efficiency.